All right, ladies and gentlemen, which is me, it's in the house today, and it is in the house with something that is unique. That is the correct word to describe this piece right over here, guys. Would you look at this? Actually, would you look at this? This is something pretty unique in the very sense of the word, because there is only one of these, and this is the Ace of Spades. And you can actually see Dmitry Sinkevich and Sergei Shirogorov's signatures on this deck of cards. And this is the Ace of Spades card, which is matching, bam, the Ace of Spades on the Zirk backspacer of this Sinkevich designed Shirogorov made knife. In order to obtain this guy, you would have to participate at a lottery, which was held only for people that were able to acquire one of these Shirogorov titanium pocket roulette, because this is the Born in Vegas project, and all the spinners are marked with this Roman letter, which is a number and another number, and the draw, the extraction, the drawing of the winners would have followed the codes on the physical spinner. So you would have to own one of these guys. There's, I think, 254 to access and to the draw, and to be able to win the possibility to buy this knife, which is the highest card in the deck. This is the Ace of Spades mini Cannabis Zirkutai handle, frame lock, titanium pocket clip, zirconium backspacer geared, multi-row bearing system, Vanak steel. This is a Sinkevich design. Sinkevich bit, of course, is going to be needed for the pivot only, not so much for the handle screw. External cut out for the blade. You have a glued lock face insert. It's not screwed in, like pretty much the production neon. And also, I just realized I didn't give you the measurements, guys. What is going on with me? What is wrong with me? Anyways. Let's do 8.5 centimeters and 11 centimeters right there. Overall, this guy is going to be 19 and a half. If you're wondering what is 19 and a half, 19 and a half is pretty much like a neon, right? Or if you want to see how big is an F95 NL, that is your guy. If you want to see how big is, for example, a stellar, that's your stellar. And last but not least, I gotta show you this guy right over here to throw in the mix, because this is the Shirogorov coordinal Sinkevich designed, and it makes sense because you get this wedge, there are frame locks, Sinkevich hardware. I mean, look at the lines. It's like this, the father and the son, right? These are two beautiful Sinkevich knives made by Shirogorov that you pretty much cannot buy because they never, this guy never pops up, and there's only one. There's only this guy right over here. So yeah, extremely rare, extremely expensive stuff, very niche. Nobody knows pretty much about these models because they are from the past. I mean, this is like approaching I think this is like 12, 10, at least 10 years old. So you can't find these guys anymore. There's 54 of the mini Cannabis, and each one is different because they have each one a different mark on the backspacer matching that card. Therefore, there's going to be 54 cards, and the two jokers, guess who owns them? One Sergei and the other one is at Sinkevich place. That's what I hear. I don't know. But anyways, forget about those. And there's 4 aces, one per suit. And this is the spades, sorry. It's a Zirku tie frame lock, running on multi-row ball bearings. Look at this, very smooth. You get the Shirogorov logo right over there. You get the Sinkevich right over here. Internal skeletonization going on, extensively done, even on the lock bar, which is nice. Hidden hardware for the pocket clip. You get a blind screw on the show side, pretty much just in the reversed position of the coordinal. You get the blind show side, exactly like in the coordinal style. Nice wedge, just a little bit shorter than the coordinal. Of course, jimping, absolutely not effective at all, but looking good, and just goes down. One stone-washed finish just for the blade. It's a gorgeous knife, really great handling. A little bit, I mean, it's on the small side. Of course, it's kind of like neon size. Fantastic action. It's perfect EDC. This is the Ace of Spades, guys. It's a fantastic knife. It's impossible to get. It's very expensive. It's super fancy. It's a fancy Shiro. I mean, it's full Zirku tie handled Shiro. Look at this. Oops. Jimped flipper tab, a little bit pointy, tiny. Lanyard hole option. You get some chamfering going on in the geared zirconium blasted spacer. The clip is perfect. Retention is very good. It doesn't go anywhere. Perfectly centered. Smooth, quiet. Boom, look at this. Guys, this is the Ace of Spades mini cannabis Sinkevich design Shirogorov made in Russia. On the table, in the house, for your viewing pleasure by Fab. So there you have it. I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.